Hi guys, I'm back with another recipe, and today we're making pork and vegetable curry. I just thought of this dish just today because when I opened my refrigerator, sabi ko, oops, ang dami pa pala nating leftover vegetables from last week's grocery. So, we might as well make use of all of it kesa naman masayang at matapong. So, ang mga ingredients natin, of course, I have some pork. I'm just gonna use half of this pack, and then the next, and the other one, I'm gonna make it into another dish for tomorrow. I have some yellow beans. We got this at the farmer's market. I also have garlic, ginger, bok choy. Also have some eggplants. And then I have fish sauce, oil, Thai red curry paste, coconut milk, and some brown sugar. Okay, so let's get cooking. Okay, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of vegetable oil into my pot. And I'm gonna saute my ginger. Wait about a minute. Okay, about a minute, we can just add our garlic. And just cook until you can smell the aroma of the garlic and the ginger. We're ready to put in our ground pork. Remember, I said I'm just gonna use half of the pork. Saute until brown in color. Now that it's golden brown in color, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of the Thai red curry paste. Mix it well with the pork, the ginger, and the onion, or in the garlic. And then we're ready to pour in half of our coconut milk. If you want it a little spicier, you could add probably a tablespoon of the curry paste instead of the teaspoon of curry paste kung kaya ninyo yung anghang niya. But for me right now, a teaspoon of the curry paste will do. So it's fully incorporated. I'm ready to add in a half of the coconut milk. We're gonna simmer it on a low fire and cover this for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, we can see that the pork is bubbling away. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, and then later on we're just gonna taste it again, and if it lacks more fish sauce, then we'll add. And then a tablespoon of brown sugar for sweetness. Mix well. And this is the time we can add in our vegetables. So I'm gonna start adding in our yellow beans. And our eggplants. Mix well. I'm gonna increase the temperature of the oven to medium. We'll mix well, and then we'll cover and wait a few minutes until the veggies are on the softer side. So as we can see, the dish is bubbling away. I think we need a few more minutes until the vegetables are softer. I'm just gonna add another half of the coconut milk. I'm gonna lower down the heat to about low. Continue mixing. And we'll cover this again and wait for around 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. So, malambot na yung ating vegetables, yung ating beans and eggplant. Now, for the final touch, we're gonna add in our bok choy. This is a very healthy dish kasi talagang we added a lot of vegetables in here, guys. Plus, you can see this will easily feed around 4 people kahit na half a pack lang ng ating pork ang ginamit. So, here you go, guys. My pork and vegetable curry. I hope you give this a try. And please let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.